Hey guys, this is just a short video. Hopefully this will help somebody to avoid going multiple trips to the DMV to get your CDL learner's permit. In my situation, I had to go back like 3, 4 times because I just didn't know what was expected. Um, so to get right to it, you're gonna need these things first before you even go to the DMV. Number one, you're going to need your DOT medical card. You get that by either going to CVS, Walgreens, or an independent physician to get your DOT physical done, and they're going to give you a piece of paper saying that you pass. So what they're going to check for is your blood sugar levels. They're going to check for your blood pressure, and your blood pressure has to be at least 140/90 or below. If it's anything above that, they're probably going to tell you to go to your doctor and get medication, get that under control before you even move on. Number two is your sugar levels. If you have any type of diabetes, you might as well just be upfront with them because they are going to give you a P test, and that's going to show you what your blood sugar levels are at, and you're gonna fail or pass based on that. I think it cannot be higher than 8.5. Um, After you get that, then you go to the DMV and take your exam. Now, there's 3 exams. I did not know this going in there. So, the first exam is your general knowledge exam. Once you pass that, then you can take the Airbrakes and the combination. Those 3 are required for a Class A CDL. Now, I didn't know that, so I went ahead and took the general knowledge thinking that that was enough for me to get my learner's permit. But no, you have to get all 3 of them. So once you take the 3 tests and pass it, then you're going to need additional paperwork. This is something else I didn't know. It required another trip, obviously. So you will need your proof of residence in Florida. Um, you're gonna need a bill from uh, your like electric bill or a cell phone bill, your bank statements or your credit card statements. There's a list A and a list B. They'll give you a printout of what you need. I'll actually just post it up here for you so that you make it easier for you. You don't have to go to the DMV to get it. But yeah, you're gonna need that uh, before they even give you your license. The tests, the exams are all free. 3 of them that are required are free. Your learner's permit is free. So uh, everything up to um, getting your CDL learner's permit is free, other than the exam. Your physical exam. That usually runs between $80 to $100. The medical exam costs that much. The exams themselves are free, and the license itself is free. So once you have the paperwork, then you go to the counter, the cashier, and then you pay for it, and then they'll print you out a learner's permit, a CDL learner's permit license, and and that's it. But hopefully, this video will prevent you from making the same mistakes I did by going in there multiple times when it wasn't even necessary. Um, yeah, so just again, get your DOT physical exam. It's going to cost you $80 to $100. Get ready to take the 3 tests. You can take them at different times if you wish. But for me, it was much easier to just take them all at once. They're not that hard. There's a couple of videos on YouTube that I'll share the links below that helped me greatly passing the exam. And after that, just make sure you have your paperwork. Your proof of residence, which is your telephone bill, electric bill, your bank statements, credit card statements. You need one of each of those, um, and that's it. And then you're ready to go. So hopefully this will help someone, make multiple trips to the DMV like I did. I mean, I wasted like 3 days going back and forth, and uh, I don't want anybody else to go through that if you don't have to. So, yeah, good luck with the exam, and hopefully this video helped